This is your Khalil Master Maths Expert. Today's our topic is important objective type questions of 10th class, which is useful for Telangana State, Andhra Pradesh and also CBSE students. Let's start the class. Dear children, the first question is sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 3. Then what is the value of sec theta minus tan theta? Now your options are 2 by 3, 4 by 3, 5 by 3 and 1 by 3. Without actual calculation, simply we can select D option is the right one. Yes, my dears, we have one small reason here to select the option directly. Let me explain. Here sec theta plus tan theta is given. It means in trigonometry, sec and tan related we have one identity. What is that? Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. It is in the form of a square minus b square. So you can write a plus b. That means sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. As he has given sec theta plus tan theta value 3, you substitute here. So remaining sec theta minus tan theta as it is equal to 1. From this you can get sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by 3. Because of it is multiplied, it will be divisible. Hence 1 by 3 is the right answer. So here what I mean to explain, if sec theta plus tan theta is equal to P by Q, then sec theta minus tan theta will be the reciprocal of this number. Here P by Q is taken. You can write it as Q by P. That's it. If you have minus P by Q, then you can write minus Q by P. Not only this, my dear. Sometimes he may ask like this. Sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 5 by 3. Then what about sec theta plus tan theta? So there is no change. Same process. Here 3 by 5 you will get. That's it. No new in this. Either if we give this value, you can make it reciprocal. If he give that value, you can make it reciprocal. In the same way, my dear, we have one more formula, that is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So what can you write, my dear? Suppose if cosec theta plus cot theta equal to P, then what about cosec theta minus cot theta? Yes, 1 by P. That's it. And we have one more identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta. That is not in terms of a square minus b square. So we cannot define in this way. That's why sec square theta minus tan square theta and cosec square theta minus cos square theta can be written in this form. So this is a very, very important topic. And based on this, we have one question also in the last exercise of your textbook. We can expect in long answer type questions, right? See, my dear friends, second question is, if sin A is equal to 24 by 25, then what is the value of sec A? And your options are 7 by 25, 25 by 7, 24 by 7, 7 by 24. So by seeing this question, immediately I can select this option as right one. Let me explain how I have selected this option without calculation. See here, my dear. Actually, I just have considered this one as opposite side and it is hypotenuse. As we know very well, in a triangle we have three sides. Assume it as A. Because of sin A is given, that's why I am taking A. For this opposite side 24 and hypotenuse is 25. So we should get one more value by the help of Pythagoras theorem. So we don't know. We have to find it under the root of 25 square minus 24 square something. But my dear children, what you have to do is, you need not to calculate here. Once you observe 1, 2 numbers, third one will be only one value. Once you see 24, 25, 25, 25, 24, 24. Everywhere 24, 25 is there. Now left over 7, 7, 7, 7. So obviously 100% there is surety that it will be 7. So you need not to calculate. Like that you have to imagine the value. Of course, if you have 8 or 9 or some other values, you have to calculate here. But in this case, you need not to calculate. Come to the point. Now the Pythagorean triplets are 25, 24 and 7. It's clear. Then after, what is he asking? Set A. Set A means hypotenuse by adjacent, means 25 by 7. So 25 by 7 will be the answer. Now let me explain. You may have the doubt how I have done all this. Did I calculate previously? No, not like that. What I did, my dear, sin A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. No, cosec means what? Hypotenuse comes first. Hypotenuse 25. So 25. Are you getting my point? Once again I am repeating, my dear. Sin A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Remember, sec starts with hypotenuse by some other. So hypotenuse means hypotenuse 25. Like that I observed. Now I have seen here. So only 25 here. Of course, if you have 8, 9 and 10 also, no problem. 25 here only in the numerator. That's why B will be the option. 25 by whatever the value, that is secondary. So here in the numerator only 25 in this option B. Dear friends, now see this third problem. If sin A is equal to 24 by 25, then cot A. In the previous problem, we have taken sec A, but here cot A is given. This is also in the same way, my dear. Sec. What is sec? Opposite by hypotenuse. What is cot? Adjacent. Here hypotenuse, it is opposite. So we don't have any value from this. So what is the next value? 7. Because of this is opposite side. This is hypotenuse. And here you will get adjacent. Hence we don't have 25, 24. 25, 24, 25. So we don't have here. B is the right answer. That's it. Very simple, my dear. My dears. Now fourth question is, which of the following is not possible value for sin A? Here he did not give any value, but he is asking the question that sin A, which is not correct for this, he said. He did not give any cos value or any other ratios. See here, my dear, 3 by 4, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 4. And I can select without any calculation, nothing, just read the question and select this option. Let me explain how it is. 3 by 4. Here 4 is the biggest side. Observe here, what is the ratio of sin A? Opposite side by hypotenuse. So we know that sin A, it means opposite side by hypotenuse. So we can observe that opposite is the smaller one, hypotenuse is the longer. Hence, this value will be bigger than numerator. So 5 bigger than 3, 5 bigger than 4. So here only one value we have. Numerator is the highest value and denominator is the smaller, which is not correct. In other words, we can say that hypotenuse 4 and one side is 5, which is not correct. Because of hypotenuse is the longest side in a triangle. Like that we can select the correct option without any calculation. Now come to the fifth question, my dear. If cot A is equal to 5 by 12, then sin A plus cos A, we can find this value. Here options are given, my dear. Now what you have to do? Take a triangle and here assume it as A, cot A 5 by 12. What is cot ratio? Adjacent. Adjacent side by opposite side. And by the help of these two, you have to find this one. So what is the hypotenuse? Under the root of 12 square plus 5 square. 12 square is nothing but 144. 5 square is 25. So you will get root 169, which is equal to 13. So we got 13 answer. Now come to the point. Sin A. What is sin A, my dear? Sin A is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. 12 by 13 plus cos A, adjacent by hypotenuse. that is 5 by 13. So 12 plus 5, 17 by 13. Where is 17 by 13? Here. Option A is the right one. Like this we can calculate, my dear. Hope you understand. Let's go to the sixth question. Dear children, in sixth problem it is given that in triangle ABC, sin C is equal to 3 by 5. Then what is the value of cos A? So here it has given triangle ABC. Better to take one diagram, my dear, here. So here triangle ABC sin C. You can assume this one as C. And for this opposite side 3, hypotenuse is 5. Then cos A. So most probably cos A is nothing but he could give acute angle only. We have to assume here. He did not mention what is 90 degrees. Obviously here the topic of trigonometry comes and we can expect that right angle triangle, and next one is sin C he has given. It means C is the acute angle and he is asking cos A. That will be the acute angle, not 90 degrees. So you can assume it as B. So my dear friends, without calculating, first you have to see immediately after getting 3 and 5, you don't go for Pythagoras formula. What is he asking? Once you check. Sin C equal to 3 by 5. As per that we have taken opposite by hypotenuse 3 by 5. Now cos A means this is cos, this is A. Cos A, it means it is A. For cos A, adjacent by hypotenuse means 3 by 5 only. Here you can select this option as right. That's it. Need not to calculate anything. So most of the students may get confused. Sin value is given, how cos value will be same. But my dear, you observe C and A were changed. Here angles are changed. So there is a possibility of getting equality. And you know very well, as per the trigonometric table, sin 45 is equal to cos 45. So here very acute angles. So sometimes we may get equality here. That's why this is the right option. That's why you read the question perfectly first, then after you calculate. Unnecessarily by making Pythagoras formula and everything, then after ultimately you have to take 3 by 5 only. So why to waste the time? This is the method to select the right option here. Now come to the seventh one. Tan square theta minus sec square theta. It's very easy, my dear. Actually we know sec square theta minus tan square theta. That's why what you have to do, you take minus common here and what you will get? Sec square theta minus tan square theta. So this value will become 1, minus 1. So minus 1 will be the right answer. This type of question many times he asked in competitive examination and also in public examination. So remember, my dear, once again I am repeating, sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1, but tan square theta minus sec square theta is minus 1. Similarly, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Cot square theta minus cosec square theta is equal to minus 1. That is also very important. Now come to the 8th question, my dear. If sin x is equal to 5 by 7, then what about cosec x? Like we have done this problem by taking a triangle, don't be hurried to take the triangle. First you read the question. Sin x is equal to 5 by 7. Here it is given x, here it is given x. So happy. Now sin and cosec. What is the relation of sin and cosec? These are reciprocal to each other. Hence 5 by 7. So it will become 7 by 5. Where we have 7 by 5. So B option will be the right one. That's it. Very simple to calculate, my dear. Dear children, come to next problem. If x is equal to 2 sec theta, y equal to 2 tan theta, then x square minus y square. Now here values are given. First you have to take x square, that is 4 sec square theta, my dear. Because of x square means squaring on both sides, 2 square is 4 sec square theta, and minus as it is. And y square, what is y square? 2 square tan square theta, that is 4 tan square theta. Then after, my dear students, I would like to suggest you one thing here. While you are doing the objective problems, unnecessarily you don't take the question again and don't take all the values step by step. like you solve in problems. Here this is objective, my dear. We need to select only one correct option, that's all. So need not to go through each and every step. That's why you observe I did not take here like this, x square minus y square. This is not necessary. That's why I did not take this one. Simply I read that x square, make it square. Take y square, make it square. And then you simplify it. 4 into, what you will get? Sec square theta minus tan square theta. Why? Because 4 is common here. So 4 into this you know very well. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. That 1 also you don't write. 4 into 1. Anyhow 4. So C option is the right one. That's it. Now come to the 10th problem. If x is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta, y equal to cosec theta minus cot theta. Already we have done this type of problem. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. So if you multiply these two, you will get 1. That we know very well. So don't go for the options. First you decide xy is equal to, what you will get? 1. So we know 100% that xy is equal to 1. That's it. Now come to the options. X plus y equal 1, x minus y equals 0, x by y is equal 1, xy is equal to 1. We have the option. That's it. If you don't have this option, in that case you have to go for calculation and check which option is right from this. So this is the procedure to find the solutions in MCQs. Hope you understand, my dear. We shall discuss some more problems. My dears, come to the 11th question. Under root of 1 minus cos square theta by 1 plus cos square theta is equal to, what is the value? Sin A, root sin A, sin square A and sin power 4A. Here, what can you expect? You may think that root value is that root has come. So this will be the right option. No, my dear. Directly you cannot select. Maybe, may not be. So what to do here? Once you observe. Under the root of 1 minus. This root is belongs to numerator and also denominator. See here, directly I am explaining here. Under root of 1 minus cos square. What is under the root of 1 minus cos square? Sin theta. Sin theta you will get. Divided by under the root of 1 minus cot square. Cot cosec. So cosec will come. So sin theta by cosec theta. Do you look sin theta by cosec theta? What is the value? Sin square theta. How it is? Once you see here. Sin theta as it is. And 1 by cosec. Otherwise you write once again. Sin theta into 1 by cosec theta. Hope you understand this. We can write it. Sin ones are sin. Again you will get the sin theta by cosec theta. Then after sin theta into reciprocal of 1 by cosec. 1 by cosec is sin. So sin theta into sin theta. Sin square theta. If you practice well without doing all this, directly we can find here itself. Under the root of 1 minus cos square sin and it is cosec. Sin by cosec is sin square. Directly you can select the option this one. Observe here how much difference is there. Here root is given, here also only one option is given to select. Suppose if you have any other root, you could think. But most of the students may select this one by expectation. But that will be wrong. So here answer is sin square A. Right, come to the 12th question, my dear. The value of tan theta in terms of cosec theta. This type of problem is very important. We have to convert tan theta in terms of cosec theta. So answer should be in terms of cosec. So immediately some members may think that cosec, here also it is there. Might be this is the answer. It's not like that, dear. So here you see cosec, cosec, cosec. Everywhere we have in terms of cosec only. So here we have to calculate tan theta. What tan theta can be written? 1 by cot theta. Because of reciprocal to each other, tan and cot. Now 1 by, what is the value of cot theta? Under the root of cosec square theta minus 1. Under the root of cosec square theta minus 1 is cot theta. So here we can select option A is the right one. That's it. Hope you understand, my dear. Like this we need to calculate. And I suggest you express all the trigonometric ratios in terms of sec theta. You prepare this. This is very important in 4 marks questions. Express all trigonometric ratios in terms of sec theta. This is also you have to prepare, my dear. So these are the problems from trigonometry. And we have some more problems we shall discuss in the next class. So these are the problems from trigonometry, my dear. Even if you have any doubts, you can raise the questions to me. I am going to give the WhatsApp number here. So you can WhatsApp to my number. You can raise the questions and you can clarify the doubts from trigonometry and from other chapters also. Apart from this, if you have any other doubts, you can raise to me. Just you drop your doubts and in my leisure time, I will try to clarify that and I will try to contact you. Thank you very much.